Sunway University has been a game changer. Not only did I learn actuarial science, but I also grew personally.
Teamwork and practical activities have sharpened my problem-solving skills,
preparing me for a head start in the industry.
Sunway School of Mathematical Sciences offers a good mix of real-world skills, from mathematics, econs, even programming.
The superb lectures and the emphasis on critical thinking have really set me up for any job available in the marketplace. My skills have leveled up and my employability assured.
At Sunway School of Mathematical Sciences, the lecturers are super supportive and the curriculum is spot on.
my tech and math skills are on a solid foundation, and I'm confident of a promising career ahead.
At the School of Mathematical Sciences, we are united by our fascination of the beauty of mathematics and the practical applications of mathematics in our daily lives. We believe that mathematics is an important language for inventions, innovation, and ideas creation. Sunway University, truly a class above.